All right, so I ordered some more stuff for getting the Mustang done. So I needed like coolant hoses, coolant tee, all the serpentine, accessory drive, different timing cover to go with the power by the hour. So me and Owen are gonna unbox some of this stuff here. So I spent some money, ordered what I think I should be the majority of the stuff I need to get this car running yet. Okay, let's start with the LMR box first. So this stuff is power by the hour stuff. This is actually from LMR, but is power by the hour. So I got all the coolant hoses. Heater hose. So that must be the, I think the lower radiator hose maybe. Other heater hose. The heater hose restrictor. Yep. And here's the upper radiator hose. So I decided to go with just the regular hose. And there should be, yep, here it is, an adapter for the upper radiator hose. I thought about going with the power by the hour adapter so I could get rid of this and just hook up a regular hose. But I decided for the meantime at least just to go with the hose from the kit from LMR. So it also has all the hose clamps. Hey, a new LMR sticker. I haven't seen that one before. And then the upgraded tee, so it's got the, I think that's probably cast aluminum instead of the plastic. And then, yep, this is the motorcraft part. So this should be the thermostat housing. And what I was wondering was if this comes with the thermostat in it or not. And that answers my question. There's a thermostat in there. So the next question is what temperature rating is that thermostat? Ford Motorcraft. Came with the Motorcraft on the box. So this is the one I was excited about. So that's the big piece of the puzzle. This should be all the power by the hour speed drive system to run the Ford AC pump and the Ford power steering pump. So we got a couple of belts in here. Belts. And here's one bracket, I think. Yep, power steering pump bracket. And another box, belt tensioner. So, yeah, just what it says it is. A bolt in there with a belt tensioner. Anyway. And a belt tensioner driver side. This one, yeah, looks pretty similar to what's on the engine already. It does look a little different, but maybe it mounts differently to the other cover. And then more brackets. So that's the AC brackets.
You're gonna have AC in this car?
What's that?
You have AC?
Yep, planning on it. And then alternator bracket. So that's the bracket to mount on the front of the timing cover to mount the alternator on backwards. So that's one thing I need to order yet. Should I do the big box or the little box?
Little box.
Little box? Woo, stickers. Coyote engine swap solutions, power by the hour. So we'll actually be able to start this guy. Power Master Performance High Torque Mini Starter. Ultra Torque. Sweet. Should we open it up?
Yeah.
No. Should be shims, I bet.
Yeah.
What do you got in there?
Seals and bits.
So we got starter shims because I'm running quick time bell housing, which is thinner. Purge valve block off. Get rid of the, because we're only running on racetrack only and Mexico. Oh, that's the starter shims. And what do I got here? Oh, it's the bleeder screw kit for putting it in to the upper, up by the upper radiator hose. So please read, make sure all mounting surfaces are 100% bare metal, make sure battery cable and solenoid wire is adequate size. So instructions for mounting the starter. Starter dyno sheet. Oh, that's pretty cool. I've never seen that before. Maybe other people have, but I haven't done too many car projects, so that's pretty cool. Let's see this starter. Woo! It's pretty. That's tiny. Not that I have huge hands, but last box, last but not least. It's going to be the prettiest part of the engine.
Dude. It's a big boy.
So, we got the Coyote timing cover. Nice piece. Got all the gaskets and everything in there. Gonna be the nicest part of the engine. There we go, folks. So here's the F-150. F-150 here, but there are some differences here. Like this opening for the alternator here looks like it's up higher. This one, there's nothing there. This one's got a boss on it. Then of course they machined down the Mustang cover there where this pulley should go. And it looks like there's a little machining done here too, up in this spot. So there are some differences. So I feel a little better about having this now.